Today we stand at the threshold of the next great innovation in industry. A new revolution towards smart manufacturing is happening, leading us to the fourth industrial revolution. In a moment like this, companies need to adapt. They need to go beyond existing industrial systems and into cyber-physical production systems in order to achieve added value and stay competitive. With this new revolution comes a new mindset and the need to educate people to become aware of the main transformations, processes, and concepts surrounding the smart manufacturing paradigm. So if you're a student interested in a career in a leading European industrial enterprise, or you are simply an enthusiast of innovation and today's industry-changing ecosystem, then this course is made for you. With the support and joint effort of the European Institute of Innovation and Technology, the School of Engineering at the University of Porto, INESCTEC, the Delft University of Technology, and the Laboratory for Manufacturing Systems and Automation, this course was designed to provide a clear and integrated view about cyber-physical production systems. It will cover the main essential topics and emergent technologies within Industry 4.0, such as Industrial Internet of Things, Digital Twin, Control and Optimization, Robotics, Data Analytics, and Security in Industrial Systems. You will get access to video tutorials, quizzes, and practical hands-on exercises that will help you learn and test your knowledge. Along with the videos and tasks, you will have access to complete source code samples, datasets, models, and pseudocode used in the tutorials. So join us in learning all about the smart manufacturing paradigm and being one step closer to become the next leader in this 21st century industrial revolution. Find out more at cpps101.eu and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter.